Ever wondered how to get the most out of your action camera accessories? There is a lot of gear out there designed to enhance your shooting experience and enables you to capture immersive footage. But let's rather jump right in and show you how to use them. The helmet strap is perfect for biking, skateboarding or any activity where you're sporting a helmet. Depending on the type of helmet, just secure it on the front, top, side or back of the helmet and catch all the action from your point of view. Next is the head strap that goes around your head. It's ideal for hiking, running or exploring, providing a first-person perspective of your adventures. It's not for everybody. It depends on if you like this type of thing, if you want that type of point of view shot. The chest strap offers a lower, more immersive viewpoint than the helmet or the head strap. It provides a stable and secure solution that lets you capture footage from a unique perspective while keeping your hands free. It's ideal for mountain biking, cycling, kayaking, rafting or other paddle sports, skiing or even snowboarding. The wrist strap, very nice, very tight, because it's actually, you can see it's got quite a long section here, so you can really fit it in onto any type of arm. The 360-degree wrist strap is ideal if you want to capture footage from different angles without switching accessories. It's perfect for surfing, diving, cycling, climbing and skiing and many other activities. Is a 360 one that is on this wrist strap. Mounts and adapters. The camera mounting frame has two standard 1/4-inch screw threads that you find on normal cameras, one at the top and one at the bottom of the frame. It allows you to clip the action camera into the frame and attach it to a tripod. The helmet extension arm securely attaches your action camera to your helmet while cycling, racing, ziplining, skiing, rock climbing, or anywhere where you use a helmet and you want to record yourself. The handlebar mount is perfect for your bike handlebars, seat post or the frame, but you can use it for any activity where you have a bar available to mount it on. The bicycle is very convenient for anywhere where you actually have a bar, not just a bicycle. It's supposed to be the bicycle mount. This section here, you unscrew this part here. Anywhere where you've got a bar, where there's a rail, anything that's going to be round, you can put that mount on. And then you can just attach different adapters to make the length longer or shorter. And then your action camera would also then fit in there. 360-degree clip mount is a good option if you want to quickly and easily attach your action camera to non-metal surfaces. You can mount it on a backpack strap, seat belt or anything that you can clip it on. The 360-degree swivel lets you turn the camera to frame the perfect shot. This one is really stiff. I mean, it takes some effort at times to really get it open and to clip it onto whatever it is that you want to put it on. suction mounts open a world of filming possibilities. It is great for capturing video from unique angles as well as for high-speed video recording. It's a great way to attach your action camera to almost any smooth flat surface and can be used on a variety of surfaces, for example a car window or dashboard, a wall or even the ground. To use, simply press the suction cup onto a clean, smooth surface, lock it in place, check that it is secure, and your camera is set to record epic adventures. The flat surface mount is perfect for attaching the camera to any flat surface. The curved surface mount allows you to attach it to a helmet or any curved surface. To use, clean the helmet surface with rubbing alcohol. Remove the protective sheet from the sticker and apply it to the mount. Remove the second sheet from the sticker and apply it to the helmet. You should allow at least 24 hours for the mount to attach properly. Quick release mounts are ideal for switching between various mounts. Clip it out of the accessory design and click it into the next one. The J-hook clip mount is also a quick release mount. You can clip it into a variety of mounts. It can quickly be attached to helmets, backpacks, belts and many other objects, allowing you to switch easily between accessories. The adapter is used to convert your action camera mounts to a standard camera mount. Stickers or adhesive. The 3M stickers are waterproof and ensures a strong and secure bond with the object, keeping your camera in place during any intense activity. Tip: it can be removed by heating the adhesive bond with a hairdryer and then peeling off the mount. Shooting different angles. The Octopus Tripod is a nifty, flexible and sturdy device. Bend its legs to secure your camera on uneven surfaces. Wrap it on a handrail or around a branch for that perfect elevated shot. The Octopus Tripod is very nice, and I didn't realize until we actually had one how nice it was, because you could just clip it onto anywhere, if you're in your location where you are shooting, onto the tree, onto a rail, onto the tripod if you perhaps have that with you. You name it, you can do it. I mean, if I really want to be lazy, I can even put it onto my arm. The floating hand grip is perfect for water adventures. It keeps your camera afloat and provides a firm grip for those thrilling water shots. It is usually brightly colored for finding easily in the water should it fall, and will float to the top if dropped. The selfie stick extends to capture wider views, or you can use it to get close-ups of hard-to-reach subjects. It's really a game changer. There you've got the camera, yeah, and you can extend it quite far. You got that?
Yeah.
Okay, great. And you can just pop it in again. So you can have this in your jacket, you've got a big pocket for that, or even in your handbag. If you've got a big handbag like this. Okay, very handy. The waterproof casing is very convenient, especially if you're doing water sports or you're swimming or you're canoeing or whatever it is that you're doing. It's a lot of fun to play with this under the water, doing your shots, whatever it is that you want to do. It's going to be fun, that I promise you. Using a tether strap attached to your wrist strap keeps your camera from slipping out of your hand and sinking to the bottom of the ocean, or even getting washed away by the current. You can also use this nifty strap as a tether on your motorbike or car for additional safety of your camera. Thumb screws play a crucial role in stabilizing the camera and ensuring that it remains secure and steady during use. The long thumb screw is for connecting the camera and short screws are for connecting the accessories. But it's personally your choice if you want to use a long thumb screw or a short one. Anti-fog inserts are placed into the GoPro or action camera's waterproof case. It will help prevent excess moisture forming on the lens and inside the waterproof housing during cold and humid environments. The Action Camera Safety Tether with 3M sticker. You can use the camera tether and adhesive sticker to further secure your action camera when operating it in extreme conditions. The tether attached to the camera's waterproof casing and the adhesive sticker and mount attached to your gear. The wrench is a little tool used to provide grip and tighten or loosen the thumb screw of your action camera. Tightening the thumb screw with a wrench prevents the camera from shifting during high-speed, high-vibration activities. That brings us to our last accessory, which is for your furry friend. The dark chest strap with mount for GoPro or other action cameras provides a unique point of view, as you can then also film your four-legged friend's adventures. Top, so you will see the dog's view, basically the head. And then this one is for the front. You can also watch the volcano video here or the waterproof tests.